Now, this clear corneal tear was successfully repaired a few months back by me, and last week he presented to me with this appearance. The corneal wound was healed and the vision was 624, and it was causing minus 8 diopter cell astigmatism, as you can see here at 40-degree axis. You can see the distorted mires. So I removed those sutures, and you can see how to remove corneal sutures in a video I posted a week back, and patient vision became near normal with 6/6 partial and negligible astigmatism. So he's extremely happy, and take home message is that in a traumatic corneal tear repairs, wait till suture removal, because final visual outcome may be a lot better than we expect. So that's was a good case. You can see here cell is almost disappeared, and the patient becomes happy. Thank you very much.